In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a GoDaddy invoice step by step, quickly and easily. If you need a receipt for bookkeeping, taxes, business records, or just to keep track of your purchases, this is the fastest way to find and export it from your GoDaddy account. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple how-to guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy. Once the homepage loads, sign into your account using the email address and password linked to your GoDaddy services. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that step as well so you can get into your account dashboard. After you sign in, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. This is where GoDaddy keeps your account-related options. From the menu that appears, click Account Settings. This will take you to the section where you can manage your billing and account information. Now that you're in account settings, look for the left sidebar. In that menu, click Order History. This area is where GoDaddy stores your past purchases, renewals, and billing records. If you've bought domains, hosting, email plans, or other services, you should see them listed here. Next, find the exact order that you want the invoice for. This is an important step because if you have multiple purchases, you want to make sure you select the correct one. Take a moment to review the order date and details so you know you're downloading the right invoice. Once you've selected the order, look for the option that says Export to CSV. Click that button to download the invoice data. GoDaddy will generate a CSV file containing the order information, which you can use as your invoice record. Depending on your browser, the file may download automatically to your Downloads folder, or you may be asked where you want to save it. After the download finishes, open the CSV file on your computer. You can use Excel, Google Sheets, or any spreadsheet program to view the invoice details. Inside the file, you'll be able to see the order information, purchase date, and other relevant billing details you may need for your records. If you're using this for accounting or tax purposes, it's a good idea to save a copy in a dedicated folder so you can find it later. You can also rename the file to make it easier to identify, especially if you download invoices regularly. And that's it. You now know how to download a GoDaddy invoice in just a few simple steps. Go to GoDaddy, sign in, open your profile icon, head to Account Settings, click Order History, choose the order you need, export it to CSV, and then open the file to view your invoice details. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.